leftover turkey. Step 1, make a turkey stock. Let it simmer for at least 1 hour. Should look like this. Remove the fat and impurities off the top by using a small ladle. Step 2, use a small handheld strainer and another pot to strain out your turkey stock, just like this. Clear color. Yeah, nice flavor. Then we can continue and make an awesome turkey soup out of this. For turkey barley soup, I'm using this pearl barley, really good stuff. And I'm going to take half a cup of barley, like this. Half a cup or even a little less is good. Place it in a stainless steel bowl like this. And then I'm going to cover this with 2 cups of cold water. Let it soak for at least an hour. Okay, a few more of the ingredients that are going in my turkey barley today. I've got some fresh sliced mushrooms, some garlic, some bulb onions. These are roasted and chopped shallots, a bay leaf, carrots, and here we go. Okay, here we go. The basic ingredients in a really good turkey barley soup. Olive oil in the soup pot. Garlic. Onions. Let it cook. At this point, we're going to add our carrots and let them cook. Fresh ground pepper. Turkey. Gotta have some turkey in the turkey barley. Normally I just break it up. And at this point, it's looking really good. We're going to add the mushrooms. Okay. Okay, then at this point, I'm going to be adding my turkey stock. Just like this. All at once. Okay, at this point I let the soup simmer and I'm putting in my soaked barley. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Okay, about a half an hour later, it's the finished soup. Looking really good, the barley's tender. Okay, I'm gonna put some of the soup in this large bowl here. Of course, I'm gonna garnish this soup. I'm gonna garnish this soup today with some wild chives. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Get cooking and make some of that turkey barley soup. Yeah. Have a great day. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.